Hey everyone, I want to talk to you today about a tip that I think is so precious and so priceless and will speed everybody up in your agency. There is no doubt that a lot of time is wasted on follow up to get what we need from clients. And yes, this is absolutely part of our gig and part of our roles and responsibilities, but how we do it will make a big difference. All too often, I hear people do what I call the sweetest customer service voice. When you get a chance, if you don't mind, send over Timmy's report card so that you can keep getting the good student discount. I know you're busy whenever you can. That'd be great. Let me tell you something, that's not going to get the job done. You need to match customer service with the mom clean your room voice. So imagine that you told your kid to clean their room in customer service voice. Nothing would ever get done. Now, if we flip this around, you need to find professional voice. And I want to give you a few tips on this. Your voice needs to be a professional tone, needs to be direct, and every request needs to have a deadline. And that deadline should not be the absolute last minute that you can accept it. That deadline needs to be the date that is acceptable for you to process it without having to break a sweat. Because lo and behold, some people will still violate the deadline. Now you're not absolutely scrambling, begging for favors. What this looks like is, hi, Mr. So-and-so, this is Kelly calling from Donahue Piro Insurance. Hope you're having a great day. I wanted to follow up with you. This is my second request to get Timmy's report card. If we can't get it by the end of day on Thursday, unfortunately, the underwriter is going to drop that discount and your premium is going to go up $150. I'm certain that you want to avoid that. So you can either give me a call back at X number or email it over to me and we can process that quickly. I'm going to reach out one more time on Thursday if I don't see it, but we really hope that we can get that taken care of for you. Have a great day. One of the things you really want to do in follow-ups is second request, third request, final request. So my final request on Thursday would be, hi, Mr. So-and-so, this is Kelly Donahue calling from Donahue Piro Insurance. It's my final attempt to reach out to you. As we discussed, I need the report card for Timmy, and your discount's going to fall off tonight, which means your rate's going to increase $150. So I think that we should probably get this taken care of today. I'm here until 5. However, we are going to need it slightly before then to process it. Please give me a call back or email it. If not, expect the rates to increase, and please give me a call if you have any questions. That's professional, courteous, and still getting the job done. And why we believe this is so important is you need to be focused on the idea that you cannot force people to do things and you cannot bend over backwards. You're here to facilitate and serve and educate, and that means that 17 follow-ups isn't going to work. Which is why you need to mirror your professional voice with your mom clean your room voice. And on top of it all, after all that's said and done, you need to have follow-ups with clear deadlines. A little guilt by telling them it's the third request, second request doesn't hurt. Your follow-up should not be 1 week apart. That is far too long and far too inefficient. They need to be every 48 hours. There was an old philosophy of, I'm going to bump it out a week. A week in 2021 is eternity. So do yourself a favor, limit your follow-ups, limit your time spent on follow-ups so you can focus on cross-selling and following up with new business. And that way your clients respect you and respect what you're doing, but also you're getting the job done. And that's our 3-minute time-saving tip today.
Have you had a moment to check out our agency process packs yet? Well, let me tell you, they're full of such great stuff. First of all, they all include how-to videos. So not long, but 5 minutes that'll help walk you through each process. How great to train your team. Next, they all include a workbook with clear steps on how to tackle a process. The one that we want to help you with right now is how to set goals for every role in your agency. So often we get questions of, well, how do we set a goal for a service person? How do we set a sales goal? How do we set a goal for the non-customer facing team? We want to include them. Well, we're going to help you with a full calculator that backs you into what your agency wants to accomplish. We shouldn't be picking goals out of a hat. It should instead be, I want to be X and my retention is Y, and this is what we need to do. We're very clear in our process pack, say that 10 times fast, that not only do you need a goal, but then you need a plan. And once you're clear on where you want to be, you can create that plan. So head over to our shop, look at the agency process packs. We have several in there for your viewing enjoyment, and you buy them outright. This one happens to be $200. Then you have it forever and ever and ever, and you have access to the videos forever. So what are you waiting for? If your agency is struggling with processes, don't recreate the wheel. Let us help you, and you can buy it at your leisure. We hope to see you as an agency process pack client. And if you have any processes that you don't see there, keep checking, they might be in production, or send us a message. We're always looking to add to the process packs. Have a great day.